Your home, placing it in the freezer, according to Buddhist teachings, is a powerful method for protecting your home from negative energies, envy, and even the evil eye. But what really happens when you do this? In this video, you'll discover how this simple practice can repel negative energies and even send them back to whoever sent them. By watching this video, you'll understand the spiritual meaning behind this ritual and how it can help create a lighter and more protected environment. If you feel like things aren't going well, that someone might be wishing you harm, or you simply want to keep your home energetically clean, this is the perfect video for you. Have you ever felt overwhelmed by envious looks or sensed negative energy around you? Discover how this ritual, rooted in Buddhist teaching, could be the key to reversing that negativity and bringing peace of mind into your daily life. Stay with me and learn this simple but powerful secret. If you enjoyed this content and want to keep receiving powerful tips like this one, don't forget to leave your like and subscribe to the channel. Your support is crucial for me to keep bringing this kind of content to you. Before we start, comment below "I believe in the power of good energies" or "My house is protected against all negativity." Let's create a wave of protection and positivity in the comments together. The practice of using baking soda to purify spaces and protect against negative energies is not new. It has roots in ancient Buddhist teachings, which always sought ways to balance the energy around them. Buddhist philosophy believes that all living beings, objects, and places have an energetic vibration, which can be influenced by thoughts and intentions, both positive and negative. To maintain this vibration at a high level and prevent negative energies from lingering around, Buddhists developed various rituals, many of them simple yet effective, like the use of baking soda. This natural ingredient is seen as an absorber of dense vibrations, capable of neutralizing negative charges and restoring harmony to a space. Buddhists believed that to attract prosperity and maintain harmony in their lives, it was essential to keep their homes and environments free of energies that could create blockages in their practices. The use of natural elements like coarse salt and baking soda is common for purification. Baking soda, in particular, was used in cleansing rituals to absorb the dense energies that might be circulating. By placing it in a cold place, like the freezer, they believed that the combination of the natural element with the low temperature enhanced the cleansing effect, creating a barrier against unwanted vibrations and helping to elevate the energetic frequency of the space. Thus, the practice not only repelled negative energies but also made room for prosperity to enter. Performing this type of ritual, as the Buddhist monks did, has a very clear purpose to keep the mind and spirit aligned with peace and serenity. By maintaining high energies, it's possible to attract more abundance and prosperity to all areas of life, whether in search of more harmony in relationships, success in business, or inner peace. The practice of purification with baking soda can help create an environment that's more receptive to good opportunities. Buddhists understand that an energetically clean space contributes to the flourishing of a flourishing and more conscious life, where prosperity finds space to manifest. Often, the negative energies that affect us are not intentional. Even people we consider friends or close to us, although they have good intentions, can emit vibrations of envy without realizing it. It might be from a comment about your new car, your newly bought home, or even a compliment on how much weight you've lost. These feelings of comparison and personal dissatisfaction can create an atmosphere filled with dense energy, which, if not purified, can start to interfere with your well-being and your goals. And this is where the baking soda technique in the freezer becomes a powerful ally. Carrying out purification rituals like this is essential for those who want to keep their lives in balance and protect what they have achieved. Just like we sweep the floors of our homes, it's also important to cleanse the energies that accumulate, especially when we notice a heavier environment or when certain things start going wrong for no apparent reason. The ritual with baking soda not only promotes this cleansing but also prevents negativity from building up and becoming an obstacle to our happiness and progress. Practices like these help us create a protective field around us and our achievements. Whether due to comparisons or even unconscious feelings, we often become the target of energies that can hinder our path. Envy, even when veiled, can manifest in many ways: an innocent comment, a look of surprise, or even a compliment that seems out of context. These energies accumulate in our homes and in our lives, creating a sense of fatigue and heaviness that we can't always explain. That's why adopting practices like the baking soda technique is a way to protect yourself and keep your space always clean and vibrating at a higher frequency, capable of attracting the best. Baking soda is much more than just a kitchen ingredient. It has unique chemical properties that make it a powerful cleaning and purification agent used in various parts of the world for centuries. Its alkaline composition allows it to neutralize acids and odors, making it widely used in household cleaning, deodorizing spaces, and even in natural skin treatments. But beyond its physical and chemical properties, many believe it also has an energetic role. Baking soda is capable of absorbing negative vibrations around you, purifying the environment and helping to restore the energetic balance of your home. With this practice, you can completely transform the energy in your space, creating a lighter and more prosperous environment. Scientifically, baking soda is known for its ability to balance pH and neutralize unwanted substances. In household cleaning, for example, it can remove tough stains and act as a deodorizer, eliminating odors and agents that can accumulate dirt invisible to the naked eye. But its power goes beyond science. It is one of the oldest and most accessible elements for energetic cleansing, being used in purification rituals of spaces as a protective shield against negativity. Now imagine the power of having a space where negative energies simply cannot linger, a place where you feel light, inspired, and motivated every day. Baking soda can be the key to opening this door to a more prosperous and harmonious life. It doesn't just clean physically but acts as a true energy filter, attracting prosperity and keeping away anything that might hinder your path. If you want to transform the energy of your home and your life, this technique might be the change you've been waiting for. Now that you understand the power of baking soda and its capacity for energetic purification, it's time to learn how to perform this ritual in your home. The process goes beyond simply placing the baking soda in the freezer. It involves intentions, preparation, and a proper time frame for the energetic cleansing to take place deeply. By following each step with attention and intention, you create a powerful ritual that can transform the atmosphere of your home, eliminating negative energies and creating a space of protection and prosperity. Let's go through the detailed step by step to ensure you get the most out of this process. Before starting the ritual, choose a small container, preferably glass or ceramic, as these materials are more natural and help conduct energy better. Place about 3 to 4 tablespoons of baking soda in the container, ensuring it covers the bottom well. Before placing it in the freezer, it's essential to consecrate this baking soda with your intentions. Hold the container with both hands and close your eyes. Take a few deep breaths and visualize the negative energy being absorbed by the baking soda. During this moment, say aloud or in your mind everything you wish to cleanse and keep away. It could be something like, I remove all bad energy, the evil eye, envy, negative thoughts, and any negative charge around me. Let your words flow, putting your intention of protection and cleansing into them. After consecrating the baking soda with your intentions, it's time to place it in the freezer. The freezer represents a cold and still environment, which helps to freeze and neutralize the negative energies that the baking soda will absorb. Put the container with the baking soda in a safe place inside the freezer, where it won't be knocked over or moved. Leave it there for exactly 7 nights, a number that in many cultures represents a complete cycle of transformation and renewal. During this period, the baking soda will absorb the dense vibrations that were directed at you and that were accumulating in the environment. Keep a positive mindset throughout the process. During the 7 nights that the baking soda stays in the freezer, it's important to maintain positive thoughts and avoid arguments or feelings of anger at home. This helps strengthen the energetic field and makes the ritual even more effective. When you wake up, visualize that the baking soda is working to filter and eliminate any negative energy from the space, creating a protective barrier around you. Imagine that all negative charges are being absorbed and neutralized, allowing your home to remain in harmony and protected against any type of interference. Well, after 7 nights, it's time to take the baking soda out of the freezer, preferably in the morning, when the day's energy is beginning to renew itself. Hold the container again with both hands and give thanks for the work. The baking soda has done its work in your home. This moment of gratitude is essential to close the ritual cycle and release the absorbed energies. Then dispose of the baking soda in a place outside your home, preferably in an outdoor trash can, to ensure that all negative energy is removed from your environment. While discarding it, you can say, "I release all the negative energies that this baking soda absorbed. May my home remain clean and protected." It's a good idea to clean the spot where the baking soda was in the freezer. Use a clean cloth lightly dampened with water and a few drops of white vinegar, which is also a powerful purifier. This helps to finalize the cleaning process and ensures that any energetic residue is eliminated. While doing this cleaning, keep your mind focused on positive thoughts and visualize your home as a space of light and prosperity, free from any negative influence. This step might seem simple, but it's crucial to close the ritual effectively and ensure that your home is completely renewed. To maintain the benefits of the ritual, it's a good idea to repeat the process whenever you feel that the environment is heavy or that things aren't flowing as they should. Some people like to perform the ritual at each change of season or during transition phases in life, such as the start of new projects, moving houses, or moments of personal renewal. Remember, baking soda is a powerful ally, but your intention is what truly makes the difference. The more you believe in the power of this ritual, the more effective it will be in bringing protection and cleansing to your home. With this practice, you will always be in tune with the best energies, attracting peace, prosperity, and a light environment to live in. During the 7 nights that the baking soda is in the freezer, you might notice a subtle but profound change in how you feel. In the first few days, it's common to feel a certain tiredness or a heavier feeling in your body. This happens because the baking soda, while absorbing negative energies, is helping to cleanse these denser vibrations that were around you. This initial fatigue is actually a sign that the process is working, that the unwanted energies are being pulled and neutralized by the baking soda. So, don't worry if you feel a little more tired in the first few days. It's a sign that the energies are being worked on for release. As the days go by and the baking soda continues its cleansing action, you'll start to notice a sense of lightness taking over the space. This change can be felt in small details. When waking up, your body may feel more rested, and the air around you cleaner. This lightness is a direct reflection of the baking soda's action, which absorbs and removes the dense vibrations that were weighing on you. Each night, it's as if, day by day, a new layer of negativity is being removed, allowing you to reconnect with your own energy in a fuller and calmer way. If you struggle with anxiety, this technique can be particularly beneficial. The feeling of heaviness and restlessness that often comes with anxiety can be alleviated throughout the process, as the space around you becomes more harmonious and free from negative influences. The baking soda helps create a more balanced space, which can help calm your mind by eliminating energies that increase stress and tension. You may feel more centered and at peace with yourself, better able to handle daily challenges. It's a way to take care not just of your home but also of your emotional well-being. Additionally, the ritual can be a great ally for those facing moments of sadness or depression. By neutralizing negative energies and creating a more positive environment, it helps transform the energy around you, which can have a significant impact on your mood and emotions. When we surround ourselves with lighter vibrations, the feeling of emotional overload tends to decrease, allowing you to feel more open and connected to the small joys of daily life. This ritual is a form of spiritual cleansing that can make a big difference in how you face your own thoughts and feelings. Another effect you might notice is improved sleep quality. Each night, as the baking soda works to balance energies, you may find a sense of peace when going to bed, feeling more comfortable and secure in your space. This deeper rest helps you wake up more refreshed and ready to start the day with more energy. Even though the ritual seems simple, its impacts on your routine are profound and can completely transform how you feel in your own home. When the ritual concludes after the 7 nights, you'll feel a significant difference in the energy of the environment and how you feel internally. It's as if a weight has been lifted off your shoulders, allowing lightness and tranquility to take over. This process is an opportunity for renewal, a moment when you reconnect with your own strength and feel more equipped to face life's challenges. By removing the negative charges that don't belong to you, you create space for prosperity, peace, and happiness to enter your life more easily. After performing the baking soda ritual in the freezer, you will have created a great energetic shift in your home. However, like any cleansing practice, this renewal needs to be maintained over time for the effects to continue in your life. Repeating the ritual is essential to ensure that good energies remain and that negative vibrations do not build up again. It is recommended to do the process once a month, especially during times of transition, like seasonal changes or when you feel the environment has become heavy again. This way, you'll always be protected and in tune with the best energies you want to attract into your life. Another ideal time to repeat the ritual is after events that might have brought tension or stress into the home. Arguments, tough days at work, or visits from people who might have left a denser energy are signs that the space needs renewal. When these situations occur, the baking soda ritual can be done as a way to restore balance and ensure that none of those energies remain in your home. Remember that just as we care for the physical cleanliness of our homes, energetic cleansing is equally important to maintain a healthy environment full of good vibes. For those who wish to intensify the effects and maintain a constant state of energetic protection, it is interesting to combine the use of baking soda with other practices. You can, for example, burn herbal incense like sage or rosemary, which are known for their purifying properties, or leave a glass of water with coarse salt in a corner of the house to absorb dense energies. Each of these practices complements the other, forming a true shield of protection for your home. By creating a routine of care for the energy of the space, you'll always be one step ahead, ensuring that negative influences have no room to linger. Beyond the cleansing practices, it's important to keep your own vibration high. Daily practices like meditation, expressing gratitude for daily achievements, and focusing on positive thoughts are ways to enhance the effects of the baking soda ritual. When we keep our mind and heart turned toward gratitude and positivity, we create an energy field that attracts more of what we want and repels what doesn't serve us. This means that by cultivating a light and optimistic mindset, you further amplify the action of the baking soda, ensuring that your home becomes a true sanctuary of peace and prosperity. Finally, remember that true protection and prosperity come from a combination of actions. Energetic cleansing with baking soda is an excellent step, but maintaining positive attitudes, avoiding gossip, keeping a light heart, and vibrating with love are daily practices that will make all the difference. By doing this, you'll be creating a shield of good energies around you that goes far beyond any ritual. It's this internal transformation that will bring lasting peace and prosperity into your life, allowing you to live more lightly and connected to what truly matters. I hope you enjoyed learning about this powerful purification ritual with baking soda and understood how it can transform the energy in your home and your life. If this content resonated with you and brought new perspectives on how to protect yourself from negative energies, leave your like and subscribe to the channel. Your support is essential for me to keep bringing valuable tips like this and helping you create a more positive and harmonious environment. Each like and subscription helps this message reach more people who also need a touch of light and protection in their lives. In addition to leaving your like, share this video with someone you know who needs a little more peace and protection in their home. Imagine the good you can do by sharing this information with people who feel overwhelmed, low on energy, or in need of a positive change. Together, we can create a chain of good energies and help transform the lives of many. Don't underestimate the power of a small gesture like sending this video to a friend or family member. You could be the key to a big change in their life. And I'd love to know, have you ever performed an energy cleansing ritual in your home before? Leave a comment sharing your experience. I love reading each one and learning from you too. Also, let me know how it was for you to perform the ritual with baking soda, if you noticed any difference in the first few days, and how the energy in your home changed. Your stories are very important to me and can inspire others who are seeking a lighter and more protected life. Let's create a space for sharing in the comments where everyone can share what they've learned and how they've kept their good vibes. And don't forget to activate the notification bell so you don't miss any of the upcoming videos. I have many more tips and teachings to help you elevate your energy and live more fully and at peace with yourself. Stay tuned because each video brings a new step on this journey of self-discovery and spiritual protection. Your presence here is very important, and I want you to continue with me, learning and growing every day. Thank you so much for being here, and see you in the next video. Until then, keep your energy high and remember what you emit. The universe returns to you in double.